All right, people, here it is, Robert Hernandez again. Today we're in Grand Prairie, Texas on a new build. Well, actually it's a rehab, but we just started the rehab recently, as you can see. It is Saturday, July 4th, 250th birthday of America. Still got to get out here and do some work, as everybody else is. Let's have a walk through here. We buy houses out here in Grand Prairie, as well as all over Dallas-Fort Worth. Let's get inside. Look, we've already gutted this thing down to the studs. Again, ready to start the rehab. See what our designer says. Dining area. Or was that a bedroom? I couldn't tell. And I couldn't tell you. Living space, fireplace. Wow, kitchen, small kitchen. Tearing it out. Let's go back here to the bedrooms. Here's the water heater. There's a bathroom here. And we got a light, yes. Yeah. AC, HVAC. Back bedroom. As you can see, everything's out. Gutted. Laundry area. Gutted. Master bath. Okay. Closet space. Master bedroom. Kind of a small one there. Let's go around outside and see in the back way what we've got back here. Yeah, a lot of work to be done here. A lot of work to be done. Get the fence back up. Yeah, we do. We buy houses here in Grand Prairie. We buy houses in Dallas. We buy houses in Fort Worth, Texas. And this is it. All right, folks. Hope this helps you with you can sell your house fast in Dallas, Grand Prairie, Fort Worth, Arlington. We cover a good 50-mile radius around the DFW area where we buy houses. Give us a call, 214-723-1304. This is Robert with 10-Day Home Buyers. You have a good weekend.